black, maybe. Yeah. Great. That's gonna look great. Perfect. Yeah, now we'll do that rust color. That's gonna look beautiful. Pretty. Really pretty. Great.
Watch the way the rust blends with the black on this side. Beautiful.
Great.
And we go back to what we've used the least amount of for right now, which is green. We go heavy right here. Beautiful, look at that.
That's looking really good. Okay, let's do white on the outside.
White is the outside color. We want that, and that should drip off the sides.
Yep. Perfect. Look at that.
And then what you do, see how we have the green going to the side here? We can put that white right on the inside and go out to the outside. You're going to see this way this blends in a second. And we're also going to fill in our little holes with white.
Okay.
There.
Beautiful. Yep, that's great.
That's looking good.
We
The
can
last
do some
thing we're going to do
light green right here,
is
maybe.
we're going to add just the light green right here. So check this out. Right here, watch very carefully.
Yeah, so small. Just to fill in that hole right there. Yep. Perfect. Great. Okay.
The nice thing about this is all of this is free to your interpretation of what you want it to be. And you can do this in any backyard because the slant of the table will actually give it a unique look that will never be reproduced.
Great.
Right there.
Perfect.
And then just a little bit more there.
So this isn't the final though. This isn't how it's
No,
gonna
this
look.
is not how it's going to look.
Okay, and maybe some dark green right here in this section.
It actually got just a little bit of black to go in.
Okay, great.
Just because we don't want to mix too much because we're going to mix with our garden rake.
Right. Perfect.
Then we can put some black in there and right there.
Right.
Okay, we're ready to go. You ready for this?
Yeah, and all these little pieces throughout don't really matter because, we're about to change it.
Yeah, it's about to all change with this.
Okay.
Just a simple garden rake.
Okay.
So you want to position yourself right at the point. Can you see this okay? Is the lighting okay?
Yeah, I can see. We got some good, nice shadows here of the leaves on the table. It looks
Does it
pretty.
look good?
Yeah, it looks really nice.
All right, you ready? Watch
Yep.
right here. See this?
One
I'm
sec.
gonna
Let me
rest the rake
get really close here.
right here.
Yeah.
I'm going to pull the rake through.
Yeah.
I'm not going to put down any pressure.
Put it back
Instead,
over here. Yeah.
I'm just going to let the rake do the work. Here it goes.
Okay.
This is when everything changes.
All right. Pull. Whoa! Look. Wow, that's already looking really cool.
Beautiful. Do the same thing here.
Yep. Great. And you gotta just do those sides. Yeah, easy. Great. Okay, this
And
is
then over
looking.
here on this side. Now wait until you see the lines
How's it looking?
intersect.
Okay. Great.
There and one line there. See that?
Yep.
Look at how amazing that looks right now, but get ready for this. You ready?
Yeah, so now you have to do it one other way.
Like this.
Okay.
Because otherwise we end up with colors staying exactly where they are. Look at
Okay,
that
that's-
amazing design.
It's
right
really
there.
cool. This
Isn't
is
that amazing
really
looking?
cool looking. But that's not, then you have to do a little tilt.
No, you're going to see the end of this
It
amazing
almost looks like peacock
process.
feathers or something, like feathers. That's very cool looking. Here, I want to see really close up on this one.
Watch it.
Yeah. Wow. Wow. just right across the table, and then you just get those last little.
And come over here and look at the paint dripping off right here. Just look at a good close-up spot so you can see.
And look at all these colors on the floor blending.
Get right here. Yeah.
Wow. Very cool.
Okay, you ready for the final move?
Look at that. Yeah, look at all that. Yep.
Okay, final move coming up.
Okay.
Up to a place where you can see really well.
Okay, I can see really good right here.
Great.
You gotta careful because that we got this table at Goodwill to refurbish it, basically. Yeah, this is looking really good.
Watch it move.
Whoa! Look at it all moving.
You don't want to go too far.
No, not too far.
Like that.
Wow!
Now watch we go the other direction.
Look at that. And so all the extra just kind of drips off and makes this really cool design on the table here. And then you're left with, that's good, yeah, that's great. So now we've got all of the sides of the table.
Now I'm going to have him reach over to the other side. I want you to just get the camera close on the table.
Okay.
And just lift up a little bit towards me. I'm going to hold on to this leaf of the table. So we can get, there's some little spots down here. Yep. Keep going, even more, even more, even more.
There's a little spot there.
Even more. Ready? Keep a little bit more. There it goes. Watch it go. You can already see that it's solidifying into its new shape. A little bit more. Almost.
Great. That
There.
looks great. Wow. Okay, this is pretty amazing looking.
Now, we put this right there.
And it's just a little bit of extra there on the side. Look at this. This is gorgeous. Look at
And now
that.
you have your new dining room table.
That's really fun for like a little kitchen nook or... Look at that. It's very cool. It's gorgeous. Look at all those beautiful designs up close. Look at how all those colors mix together. Gorgeous. Yeah. Pretty. Good job. That looks great.